Welcome to AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. Today I'm going to show you how to use GPT-5 for free inside Copilot, and how it can help you create powerful things that bring real value. My name is Fred. First, open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Type in Copilot and hit search. When the results appear, click on the first link. That will take you straight to the Copilot site. If this is your first time, you'll need to sign up. It's quick and takes just a few seconds. Once you're inside, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Smart GPT-5. That's it. You now have free access to GPT-5. Try it yourself, it works. And let me know in the comments. Let's test it. I'll type, "Hello, GPT-5." After a few seconds, it replies, fast and accurate. Now I'll type, "Create thumbnail of YouTube video of AI tools like use GPT-5 and Copilot." And just like that, boom! It generates the thumbnail instantly, unlimited, free, powerful. So if you're serious about AI, start using it today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Next time, I'll show you even more ways to innovate with AI.